Hello, everybody. It's Marilyn PV. How is everybody? It's Friday. It's Friday. Woo, 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 woo. Y'all come join me live. Oh, I need to clean my table up behind me. Y'all, I am going to show y'all how to strobe your lips to make them look fuller. So that's what I'm going to do. Marilyn Peavy with 4 Lash Lovers. That's FOUR lashllovers.com. But look, I wanted to tell y'all something before we get started. My eyeshadow is done by this beloved Moodstruck palette that I've been showing y'all looks. Look at that. Y'all, it's still available. Gotta get it, gotta get it, gotta get it. I've developed all kinds of looks with this. All right, I'm going to show y'all how to strobe your lips. Before I get started, before I show y'all, you know, sometimes I got little lips. See? So I want to pucker them up without having surgery or Botox or whatever, however you do it. Anyway, I'm going to show y'all how to do that today. First off, I am going to use my concealer, and I'm just going to put just a little bit. Just a little bit. And I'm going to dab it on my lips. Yeah. Fill my lips in. All right. Now, I'm going to use my Younique powder. And I'm just going to put some powder, pressed powder, on my lips, just to keep it to last longer. And so, I am going to put that powder on. So, what we're going to do is you need a couple of things. You're going to need your favorite lipstick. It's either lip stain, liquid lipstick, it's whatever, and a pencil and a lip gloss. Y'all, that's all you need. Make sure I have a sharpened, there it is. Y'all, this pencil sharpener by Younique is so good. It does not tear your pencils up. It doesn't eat them up. Look at that. And it's got this little thing right here. So it has this little cover on it. So it catches the shavings. Let me put it in this cup here. And it's got this little pick, and you can clean it out if you need to. And it fits right back in there. Isn't that neat? And then you got this cover again to put the to catch the shaving, so when you're sharpening it, the shavings don't go all over the place. Love it. So now we're going to do, I'm going to go with a nude look today. And this is called Well-To-Do Opulence Lipstick. Love this lipstick. So what we're going to do is we're going to put this lipstick on. And usually you line your lips first most of the time. But with this technique, we're not. Y'all, this is the perfect nude color. Look at that. Perfect. Well-to-do. All right. So now I'm going to take my lip liner. And this lip liner is perfect. I like using this lip liner for any color I use. And this is called Prudent. I'm going to use my mirror here. So I'm going to line my lips with the Prudent right on the edge of your lips. And this is going to give the illusion, you guys, of fuller, plumper lips the way we're doing this. And this is called lipstick probing, or strobing, sorry. Been a long day. Just like so. I'll line my bottom lip. Just like that. All right. Now, here's the trick, you guys. I have got a lip gloss. You can use, strobing is catch it some places where you catch the light. So I'm going to use a lip gloss. You can use, let's see if this is it. You can use a powdered luminizer for your lips, or you can use a cream luminizer for your lips to do this effect. But we're going to do the lip gloss today, and this lip gloss is in Lucid, and all we're going to do is we're going to take this, look at y'all, it's got a tip on it, and all we're going to do is we're just going to go right here just like so, and then on the bottom. Now, don't rub your lips together. And I've got a trick. I have a lip brush. Did y'all see that? Look. So all we're going to do is just smooth that out just a little bit. I think I need a little bit more. All right. There. I got fuller looking lips. That's called strobing. I love this little lip brush. You could use that with the with this thing here, or with that powder, so you can be more precise. So that is called strobing. Have a good Friday, and maybe I'll be back here tomorrow. I won't be here Sunday because I have got a lot of things to do. I'm going to go see my grandbabies again. But that is strobing our lips. Get the strobe on. We can strobe our cheeks. But I am getting ready to do another live, not today, but probably the next one, on how to pick out the right eye color for you. So if y'all are interested, stay tuned. I'll be announcing it. Hope to see y'all some more on my lives. And if you're watching this on replay, push hashtag replay. Thanks for watching, you guys. Marilyn Peavy. Bye.